Assalamualaikum. Today we'll be showing you on how you can play with your child with a 30 pieces puzzle. So without further ado, let's go. Hi, welcome back. Okay, now let's talk about the benefits of playing with 30 pieces puzzle. So the first benefits of playing with 30 pieces puzzle, or any puzzle in particular, it can improve your fine motor skill. Fine motor means the movement of your finger. So in order to put this thing into all its places, your finger needs to be very precise and you need to be able to manipulate those pieces. So the next, it can increase the visual perception. Why I say can increase visual perception? Well, visual perception can be increased by any kind of puzzle, any numbers of puzzle. As long as it's a puzzle, you can increase your own, or you can improve your own visual perception. Visual perception means the ability to recognize all the picture without the picture ever being there or fully there. So if I just take one pieces, I still know that this piece is being put over here, even without maybe if it's black. Okay, I can still understand that this piece goes over here, so I can know that this is a car without it being a fully shaped car or fully a picture of a car. So the next one is getting help improve problem solving skill. In order to do puzzle, it is much easier for you to do from the side instead from the middle. So if your child can learn this, that there is a proper way to solve a puzzle, just like any other life in your life, there's a proper way to do it. So if they can understand that, they can learn about that, so it can improve them not just for doing this puzzle, they can also help improve their daily life of solving problem. So that is all for me for the talk about 30 pieces puzzle. So I hope you have a great information. Thank you, goodbye, and Assalamualaikum.